Catch a whiff of this, folks. We're talking mechanical keyboards, and we're doing it quick. Imagine a tiny, precise machine under each key. That's what gives you that satisfying click and tactile response. No mushy keys here, no Siri. 3 main types of switches you gotta know: linear, tactile, and clicky. Linear, smooth, straight down press. Tactile, you feel a little bump mid-press, let you know you've hit the sweet spot. Clicky is tactile with an audible click, music to a typist's ears. Then there's the keycap material, ABS or PBT. ABS cheaper, shiny over time. PBT more durable, stays matte. And that's your 60-second crash course in mechanical keyboards. Remember, your fingers deserve the best. Until next time, keep typing!